Welcome everyone. I have a new little fun project today that hopefully this might help a bunch of people. I got this really nice big fan to move air around in this garage here, and it has very heavy base, and it's really kind of hard to move, especially when it's hot and running, because the motor gets pretty hot, so you can't put your hand on it, and I don't want to grab a blade, and even if you turn it off, you know, the motor's kind of too hot to move, so you really have to, it's just a little awkward, let me just put it that way. So it's very heavy, so here's what I'm thinking about doing. I went and got some of these locking caster wheels that support up to like 65 pounds, and I think this is probably about 50 or so. And there are some holes in the bottom of this already, but they're not quite big enough for this, so that's just a matter of drilling them out. So I'm going to get this thing off the floor, I'm going to drill out the holes and put these on, and then you know, we'll see if that's going to end up being strong enough, you know, enough stability for this pretty powerful fan with just resting on 4 feet. It might not be, and then of course I have to take them off. So you know, we're just going to play it by ear, so maybe if this project helps somebody do something similar or not do it, either way I'll get this posted up. So let's get this fan off the ground a little bit so I can drill those holes out, and this should be a pretty simple project. Alright, let's start by getting this fan off the ground. That would work in itself if they had locking wheels. Alright, I am taking here's a close-up of those wheels. So I got a 3/8 inch bit. There's already a hole, 4 holes, so I should just be able to make them larger. Yep, really all it took. So these are going to be, they have bearings in them, ball bearings, so they're easy to turn. I won't need a washer on this side. I did get these, you know, the locking type nuts. I do have washers for them. As well, I'm going to put a washer on the top. I probably will need to get underneath once to tighten these things down to keep this from spinning. I can just use this, or I can grab one of my wrenches if I'm going to have a tight tolerance there. So let's try this out. Easy enough. I'll get on all 4 and I'll report back to you. Okay, wheels are on, and this is ideal. Now, I did get 2 of them are actually locking. So I can actually lock it so it won't roll around. Here, underneath its own power, it does have enough power to move. A little touch and it's So once those wheels are locked, it's all good. It doesn't move on its own power there. Now I got all 4 of these wheels at Lowe's. They were about $8 a piece. I bought 2 locking and 2 non-locking ones. And this is the Harbor Freight, I think like 27-inch fan or something like that. That they have on sale all the time for around about $100. And it moves some air. So that was a fun little project. I hope this helps somebody out with keeping them cool in some of this excruciating heat. Thanks for watching. Bye.